Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating a clean environment and installing a client-like requests. This prevents dependency conflicts. Once done, register your application with the provider to obtain an API key and immediately store it in an environment variable so you never hard-code secrets. Then make a quick pass through the API docs to confirm endpoint paths, required headers, payload format, and rate limits. Doing that upfront saves debugging time and clarifies the first request you will send. You craft the request body and headers next. Include authorization and content type, and shape JSON that matches the API schema so the server accepts it. Then use requests, get or requests. Post with params or JSON equals payload. If you expect pagination, implement cursors or page params now. Make sure to check status code on each response, parse response. JSON, when appropriate, and log both successful payloads and error messages. This helps you iterate quickly and understand why a call failed. You wrap up by adding robustness. Implement retries with exponential backoff and honor rate limit headers, and make sure secrets stay in env vars or a vault. Then add unit tests for request building and a small integration test hitting a sandbox endpoint so you catch regressions early. If something goes wrong, capture the raw HTTP request and response including headers and body, then compare against the documented schema. That single troubleshooting step usually reveals mismatched fields or auth mistakes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.